In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Google Sheets. Now, this is an incredibly useful skill to have, especially if you're looking to streamline your workflow and improve communication among your team members. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open Slack. If you're already working in Slack, this should be a no-brainer. Once you have Slack open, head over to the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. Find the More option and give it a click. This is how you'll access additional features within Slack. Next, look for the Tools option, and under that, you'll find Apps. Click on Apps wherever you see it because this is where you can add integrations like Google Sheets to your Slack workspace. Now, in the Apps interface, you'll see a search bar, and that's going to be your best friend here. Go ahead and type in Google Sheets into that search bar. When Google Sheets comes up as an option, go ahead and select Install. You'll see a button that says Add to Slack. Click on that, and you're well on your way. Slack will then ask you to choose which workspace you want to add Google Sheets to. Make your selection carefully, especially if you're part of multiple workspaces. Once you choose your workspace, you'll be prompted to grant some permissions. Go ahead and allow those permissions. They are necessary to make the integration work smoothly. The next step is to sign in with your Google account. This will link your Google Sheets to your Slack workspace. Make sure you use the account that has access to the documents you'll be working with. Now let's shift gears a bit. Open your Google Sheet. You'll find this step is straightforward, especially if you're already familiar with Google Sheets. Once your sheet is open, look at the top menu bar and click on Extensions. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Add-ons. This is where you'll facilitate the next part of the integration process. In the Add-ons menu, search for Slack for Google Sheets. This is the tool you'll be using to send data from your sheet to Slack. Once you find it, open it up. You'll need to sign in again, this time to choose which Slack channel you'd like to send your Google Sheets data to. Select your preferred channel and you're all set. And that's it. You've now successfully integrated Slack with Google Sheets. This setup will greatly enhance your ability to share data and updates quickly and easily, helping your team stay synchronized. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Enjoy your newfound productivity.